A 4-point schedule for dealing plasticity waste management has been set out by the Environmental Registrar Michael Gove. Environmentalists terror Mr. Gove will be unwilling to set more rigid rules for firms that gain of the present use of plastic. The Environmental Registrar set out his thoughts for an unofficial meet. He says he wants to. Recirculation schemes frequently vary of one city to the following, manufacturing it really disconcerting for households. Mr. Gove told he was examining representing overall standards through regional authorities to do recirculation simpler. A key part is reduction the sum of unrecyclable waste management we make in the at first location. That is why he's significant how manufacturers and retailers job in us to reach the which we requirement is packing how is readily recyclable, though would not just do waste management removal facilitating for our residents, but rescue significant amounts of cash and power, until defending our environmental. Mr. Gove coordinated the UK must extend its power to recirculate, particularly in the lighting of China's judgment to reject to recirculate UK waste management in next. In the brief period, he told, the UK would see to some East Asiatic nations to recirculate UK waste management. But he told in the much longer period the nationality must halt offshoring our mud. He says same's been fueled to activity by David Attenborough's Dark Blue Earth episode, that allocated the damage to sea lifetime of plasticity garbage. Mr. Gove has already been advising in drinks firms on a deposit account schema to cut the sum of plasticity bottles conclusion his way in rivers and the ocean. Several environmentalists question how plastic manufacturers, retailers, drinks manufacturers, and quick meal point of sale will voluntarily to get the measures necessary to bring the use of plastic. Dr. Dominic Hogg, of the Unimia Consulting, told the plastic question was enormous, facility and immediate. Later, he told where are big problems in present recirculation. We include a kind of gallery and sort system, he told. No all of that produce nice quality assurance plastic. The China are on to shut the boundary on us. We include a actual issue. We're not recirculation quite plastic. We're obsessive in comfort. Two-lot material is utilized to supply a food that is quickly thrown, frequently out of any recirculation. Which we're throw is more creature incinerated, and incinerators are not effective generators of electric power. Plasticity waste management is fair one of the big issues in Mr. Gove's to tray. The Environmental Registrar said he as well designed to reveal the by the government's length delayed 25-year environmental schedule in the new year. He recognized how latter Brexit talks had detained his plans for an previous reformation of fishery and farmer politics in the UK. He acknowledged how the Brexit transactions to hold present EU policies for the transfer time would do previous changes very hard. Mr. Gove told he was work in the Division for World Growth, DIFD, to see how UK aid cash could be utilized to assist evolving nations gear the title of plasticity waste management. The would be on the order of business for the following state heads of governments meet, he told. He told he as well requested to extend the UK's planet-leading web of sea-secured zones circle distant flung territories.